Guys, if you were following my trading videos, you know that I actually predicted this dip to happen in the market. That was my secret entry point that I told you 10 days ago. And I told you that this might happen and it's gonna be the time that I'm gonna picking up a lot of these altcoins with huge potential. Now, I can tell you in the dip which happened, I loaded up a bag full of Cosmos, which I believe is a blockchain, is a project that you need to know about it and you don't want to miss this. This is big and I will let you know in this video why I think so. Stay with me and let's figure it out. Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Dr. Crypto is back with another daily altcoin video. Today I will be talking about Cosmos, which I believe one of the most undervalued project in the space. I will let you know why I think that way. We will jump into it. Before that, guys, all I ask is just to subscribe to the channel, and that's of course totally for free, and this is the support from your side to the channel. I'm trying to make a great community in here with you guys, so if you subscribe, I appreciate that. Of course, if you want to follow my videos and get notification whenever I send another video, please turn on notification bell. And of course, if you like the video, smash the like button. If you are especially fan of Cosmos Atom, don't forget to smash that like button, and let's go through it. Guys, Cosmos is one of the project actually it's been going up very nicely, but I can tell you didn't get the real attention it needs from the communities, from like it wasn't that hot, it wasn't really covered up by many in the space, while it has the huge potential between all of its competitors. As you know, I actually reviewed Cosmos in one of my previous videos, but also I want to let those who are totally new to Cosmos project get some quick idea of what Cosmos is and what it's trying to do. Well, Cosmos, I can define it as an Ethereum-like project because Ethereum is the king of the blockchain market. We know that. And there are many new to this space like Algorand, Solana, Avalanche, Errand, many Cardano, that they are trying to get some of the share from smart contracts on their platform to be launched, right? We understand that, okay? That's totally, the basic definition of all these projects, that they are Ethereum-like project. Before, in 2017, there were many projects, they were calling themselves Ethereum killer, which actually is, we don't hear it anymore, but these project I call them Ethereum-like project, right? Now, guys, Cosmos, the internet of blockchains, is quite important because of they have some slight difference, all of them, and we have to understand that, mostly about the speed of transaction, the cost of transaction. But Cosmos is doing something that none of other project in the space is actually trying to do, and that's the most important thing which actually distinguish between Cosmos and all others. All right, I'm actually gonna be reading through this quick review which provided by Coin Bureau. The guy, if you know his channel, he has above 1 million subscribers, and he's the only probably fair person in the space that is reviewing deeply into the project and lets you know actually what the projects are aiming. The technical analysis and all this stuff, fundamental analysis he does. Of course, probably know him. If you don't know, I don't have, of course, any personal connection with him, but I appreciate the job he does in the space. And you make sure, if you want to know deeply into the detail, go to the Coin Bureau channel and watch the guy which gives you fundamental and technical aspect of each of these favorite project out there. Now, I'm in their website, I'm reading from them. I want to tell you guys, Cosmos different is this, okay? Well, let's start from here. There's a decentralized network of independent parallel blockchains, each powered by BFT consensus algorithms like Tendermint consensus, okay? The designers of Cosmos consider it third generation blockchain technology. They call Bitcoin blockchain number 1 and Ethereum 2, and Cosmos, they call it, is the third one, okay? The most advanced, they categorize it, fine? Now, well, the guy who from Coin Bureau highlighted the network's inter-blockchain communication feature launched in March, which is Cosmos, which allows multiple blockchains to interact on the Cosmos network. Guys, this is huge. This is huge. What you have to pay attention. What that means, this they call it interoperability, which only you can find it on Cosmos, in Cosmos project. Cosmos doesn't just jail you, like say that you have to only stick by Cosmos if you are on Cosmos. It lets you to actually make some connection between all of this project. You can freely, communicate between all of this blockchain together, okay? The vision of Cosmos is to make it easy for developers to build blockchains and break the barriers between blockchains by allowing them to transact with each other. Guys, this is hugely important. Hugely important. The end goal is to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. With Cosmos, blockchains can maintain sovereignty, process transactions quickly, and communicate with each other blockchain ecosystem, making it optimal for a variety of use cases. Guys, this is something that you have to understand. Cosmos is doing something which no other project is doing on the space. And looking at Cosmos at the moment, having about 7.5 billion of market cap, guys, comparing it to Cardano with almost 70 billion market cap, Solana 41 million of market cap, Polkadot 30 million of Avalanche above it. Algorand above it. I love all of these projects that I just named. I have in my holding all of them. They are also cool project. But guys, if there is one project which we can say is on the top of all, is Cosmos. I just need to be honest. If you are totally fan of any other of this project I just named, just try to be realistic. What Cosmos is aiming to do is something big and huge that we have to understand, okay? And we have to understand that Cosmos already have smart contract launching on it. And here I just saw it's not something that just delivering, just promising on something like Cardano. Until some days ago, there was no smart contract on it, okay? No, there was all hypes. Cardano was my favorite project since 2017. No one knew about it. I was investing on Cardano, so I have nothing against Cardano. Let it go to the moon. I have nothing against it, right? I wish I had my channel on that time so I could let you know about Cardano. Okay, I didn't have. This channel is just 20 days old, and I just thank everybody for supporting the channel. Anyways, now, guys, Sommelier partners with the Milestone Labs to launch Cosmos smart contracts. This one actually allows a lot of liquidity, guys, to come to Cosmos. Because why not Cosmos? It's fast, it's cheap, and it's interoperable. This is so important. This feature that, of course, Algorand, of course, Avalanche, Cardano, all of them are also fast and cheap when it comes to comparing them to Ethereum. They're all coming with solving the problem of Ethereum, because Ethereum gas fees are high, Ethereum transactions are slow, and fork still is not the London fork. Now, they all came to solve that problem, but Cosmos is coming and giving the developer chance to launch their product, to their application, while also, I'm sorry for just my phone wasn't in silent, I apologize. But anyways, the thing is, Cosmos let developer, they don't need to be bound by Cosmos to stick only on Cosmos. If they are in Cosmos, they can have the opportunity to move from between other blockchains and have the chance the communication. Okay, this is so important that I think Cosmos will be going basically to the moon because of this. Guys, Cosmos was a project that wasn't covered up very well with other YouTubers or in other channels, because as far as I did research and I actually went through it, Cosmos developer and team, they don't so much care about exchange listing and all this stuff, right? They are, I actually, when I was researching, I heard that Cosmos even wasn't ready to talk with like big decentralized exchanges like Coinbase, like Binance, to like talk with them and ask them for listing of Cosmos. Okay, they were actually kind of begging Cosmos the team to list Cosmos in on their exchanges. Cosmos developers and teams, they are focusing on the project. That means so much. That means so much. I also heard that Grayscale, for example, wanted to, well, where is Cosmos now? Here you see so much. This 23rd, come on, are you joking? I mean, even the Grayscale, I've heard that they've been like trying to get some kind of communication with Cosmos to just put it on the trust and this stuff. And Cosmos team, they're really not focused about it. They don't care about it, right? They care about the project, and they build this project, I mean, at the highest quality that is possible. Guys, we shouldn't be missing on Cosmos. And I loaded a full bag of Cosmos. I'm so sad that I didn't pay attention to Cosmos much earlier when it was much cheaper. But when Guy from Coinbiro is telling you, he will be surprised that if Cosmos will be less than $100 by end of the year, the guy is a person who doesn't speculate, who doesn't actually give price prediction and this stuff. And when he actually gives some prediction, it's so conservative, I can say. And when he says a price like above hundreds for such a project like this Cosmos, then I will get hugely bullish, of course, because he is so conservative when it comes to the price and this stuff. He is more into fundamental. Anyways, guys, Cosmos, all I said, I'm so bullish on Cosmos. If I want to actually jump, look at this. I take a look at the charts of Cosmos against BTC Atom, and guys, look at this. Look at this. I mean, let's just make it smaller. This is in 1 hour. I will put it on daily. And look, guys, look at this beautiful pattern. Still, we are far from the all-time high, and we actually had a nice run up. Now we faced actually this kind of the most important probably resistance, which was broken. We went up and we recorded a new higher high of these 2 points, and now in the drop we actually retested it. And since I put this line, we got the support in this line. That's why I loaded up full of Cosmos at this line of support, because I kind of was feeling and predicting that Cosmos find support in here. Now guys, we'll see market where market goes. If you followed my Bitcoin analysis, I expected this price to happen. September is not a good month for crypto market in general, but I'm not a financial advisor, okay? I have to always give you disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing should be taken as financial advice. All I do in here in this channel is just friendly opinion. I expect from you the same, to share with me in the comment down below what you think. But guys, of course anything might happen. Of course it could be the end of the cycle and whatever. Every scenario is on the table. I also consider it, but I am bullish on the market for the next 3 months at least. I mean October and 2 months after it, until the year ends. I am bullish, and I am actually thinking we're gonna see the crazy alt season coming up. Guys, don't get excited with my words. Fine, do your research, but that's what I think. Let me know what you think. I think that alt season, the real alt season, we're gonna see soon, and we wanna pick those altcoins which are undervalued and which we can trust to hold them for the rest of the ride to the upside. Fine. So guys, I loaded Cosmos so much. I'm so much believing in the project that I think the reason that Cosmos today is actually located in 23rd, while it wasn't covered by YouTubers like, for example, Solana, Cardano, and all this stuff, they were all screaming that we are buying around blah blah. I like all of those projects too, but this project wasn't even paying attention so much to that kind of marketing. And I think the market cap is right here, is just smart money buying into this project, because they know exactly about the detail about the future of this project. And as soon as it starts right to the upside, it gets hot, then a lot of talks will jump into it, a lot of hypes come into it, and I think as soon as Cosmos start to enter the first, which it totally deserves to be between the first top 10, okay, and as soon as it start is right to the upside, a lot of hype, a lot of news coming out, that a lot of money from retail investor, from me and you, going into it, and it's gonna be a boom. Like for this project, I don't know where it's gonna be limit for it, but I'm so happy with holding Cosmos in my portfolio, guys. Looking at Cosmos Twitter, look, almost 200,000 of followers, which is nothing for this project. So I can understand that the team was focused on the growing the project at the best, and they actually, their idea behind it is perfect. But of course they didn't try to get Cosmos, Atom token in the highest price. For example, if you're a fan of Cardano, and for example CEO Charles, he been trying also on the price. I believe he's one of the best marketing agent, while he's also smart in this. But for this project, they've been only concentrating on the project since 2008. They were joined in the Twitter, and I think in 2014 Cosmos project was actually trying to build on and go toward this goal. So guys, I love this kind of project that they've been focusing on developing, and now Cosmos is completed since just not so long time ago. I think it's some months ago it just got completed. And look at the tokenomic of Cosmos. Where is it? Totally completed. No more Cosmos coming to circulation, as it's already total of this supply that is on the circulation. We want to have this kind of token in our portfolio, and that's why I believe this project is just heading toward the moon, and it's just having nice ride to the upside. Guys, let me know what you think. I hope I shared my ideas, I expressed, and I let you know what I think in the best form that I can, and you let me know what you think, and also about the Cosmos competitor on the space. And don't make mistakes. I'm not against any of this project. I'm not against Cardano. I'm not against Avalanche. I'm not against any of them. If you followed me, I have all of them. But I have to be honest, and I have to tell you which one I'm the most bullish on. All they will go up probably. Okay, understand that. But we want to be hodling the one that actually has the best potential and has the more room. This was a great dip, I believe, to get it to Cosmos. We'll see. We might still go to 38,000 on Bitcoin, which I don't know. It depends on the dollar and the XY. You can watch my other videos, but I'm glad it's falling. I hope it goes to the it goes to the bear market. But just follow me I posted my last video on trading yesterday. I think I gave you good ideas. We can watch that. But anyways, even though if this week, next week, September in general will be the worst week and Bitcoin keep crashing and we just go down and Cosmos goes down, all goes down, it's just opportunity for me to buy. I don't know about you if you're selling, but I'm buying. I'm just hodling. I'm a person who actually realistic and consider the bear market, and I'm not like that, say I want to just buy, pump it like many other channels. It just actually motivating you to buy. No, if actually I see bear market, I'm not stupid to gamble on my money, fine. But I am bullish. I am bullish on the market and on the alts, especially good alts, and I'm trying to figure out, and I will share you also the rest of my portfolio and other tokens that I'm holding. I'm also holding some of the lower caps. I will share videos, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification, and I will be posting video as soon as I get time to make them. Now guys, let me know about all of your idea in the comment down below. I appreciate that. I hope this video helped you, and that was all I got. Be blessed, Dr. Crypto.